Hello, welcome to today's demonstration. Today we'll be doing a short introduction of Bitrix24. CIS specialized in delivering technology and astonishing user experience and supporting businesses from various fields. Get the most out of your teams with Bitrix24. It's the ultimate collaboration platform that gives you an integrated workspace to manage all your business activities, including projects, tasks, contacts, files, and messages. Keep everyone in the loop with the activity stream and quickly scan through tasks and projects to stay up to date. Plus, start or continue discussions with your coworkers in real time, discuss ideas, documents, and plans faster than ever. Get Bitrix24 today and make working together more efficient. You can post messages to the relevant group where work is going on directly from the activity stream, keep track of tasks and projects, and evaluate employee work. Gantt charts are available, so you can view tasks in relation to each other and progress on each plan, meetings, and integrate calendars with mobile devices, share files, and Bitrix24 Drive. The comprehensive search feature allows you to find any information stored in Bitrix24, form a group. To work on any project short-term or long-term, collaborate with dedicated discussion, threads, file-sharing tasks, calendars, and wikis, all within the group. Check whether a colleague is online with the online indicator, and start a private chat session. Track lead processing and your sales funnel in the CRM. Use drag and drop and create your company structure. The daily planner is easily adopted. Clock in at the beginning of the workday and make a quick to-do list of tasks and meetings. All this data is automatically included in the work report. The work report settings for employees and departments can be individually configured. View the reports and plans of employees' work for reports and running meetings, as well as providing a transparent structure for follow-up. Enjoy the way you work from the office or on the go with the mobile application. Start now.